way that the nomadic people came to Qatar and survived in Qatar is by respecting the desert. First, when you approach the desert, you realize it's totally barren. But as soon as you look at it in another way and you realize that actually these insects, they should have something else. It's very difficult to get access to this life, and the challenge and the fragility of it. Really a journey and discovery is full of mystery and things we don't understand. I'm Guy Broseret. I'm a sound and interdisciplinary artist. My work is focusing on listening experience and creating space and observing the desert, but mostly with three pillars. I work with phenomenology, which means I'm observing phenomena in nature and using that as an inspiration. I'm working as well with eco-acoustic, which means I'm going to record the desert to observe these phenomena and collect this data. And as well, I'm interested in the Anthropocene aspect of our society. So all modern activity and culture is influencing and shaping the nature, the ecology. I don't think I had a special bond with nature. I just think that when I'm in nature is where I'm feeling the best, and it's something I want to share. We live in a world dominated by visual. It's for that I like to create room. People goes in and perception is modified. Some of them will stay and listen and don't realize at the time as well. Is this message behind my practice or what I'm trying to share is to bring people to be in the moment. We're always working for moving toward the next step, the next big project, the next new technology, next progress. I'm just trying to create a moment where people can just disconnect and put their phone away. Phone is more an analogy, a metaphor, but being in the moment and appreciate it. I know that I'm not going to change the world by making people listen, and maybe one person will react to it positively, but this is what I can do to my scale as an individual. Everything starts by your listening experience. I think we've lost the notion of listening to the environment because there's too much noise surrounding us, and we will be crazy, to be honest, if we don't filter. But I also believe that it's a skill which has come back very quickly. I have demonstrated several times in workshops. You get connecting to the space where you are, and maybe it's going to meditation state, but it's a bit more for me to realize that no, right now I'm alive. I feel I'm existing to this world. My body feels what's surrounding, and I know that I'm in this world and I'm present, and I'm embracing what's happening. You allow me to observe a bird or the people, a call for prayer or anything surrounding me, and you allow me to be in the present moment, which is very difficult nowadays. To ground myself to my individuality, personality. You allow me to understand what's surrounding me, like a space or a distance, to understand people, to understand where I am, what I am. And even nowadays where I just stop for 10 minutes listening and reflect on myself. I believe like with the way which society has been developing, we totally lose basic things which humans do because we don't need it. We have mobile phone, we have cars, we don't walk anymore, we don't use our hand as much as we do. We lose this connection. We lose the connection with what makes us human.